welcome back to my channel, Simply Glam with Tori. I'm so excited for this because it's my first ever Color Street travel vlog. I'm actually going to be traveling to go to Color Street's annual conference. It's called Let's Glow this year. Last year it was in Orlando, Florida, and I did not go to that one, but I did the virtual conference. And I actually flew to Phoenix last year because our team is called the Phoenix Faction because a lot of them are from Phoenix, and I was able to just meet them and we watched the conference virtually. This year it's actually in Phoenix, so a lot of them are already there. But I'm going to be traveling again. I'm going to be going with two of my friends. One of them, her name is Amanda. She's blonde, and she's actually the wife of my really good friend from middle school. And then there's another Amanda who is the cousin of my friend from middle school. She's brunette. And I'm going to be staying with them in a room at the Golf Legacy Resort. The rest of our team is also going to be in that resort too. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to being able to actually see the conference in person because it's going to be at the convention center. And we're going to have some workshops. There's a dance party. There's awards. So it's just a lot, and I can't wait to share that with you all. I am going to be leaving tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. and I'm going to bring you all along with me, and we'll just see how this goes. I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope that you guys enjoy this vlog. All right, it is 3:40 a.m. I'm about to head out to the airport to go to Phoenix, and yeah, today's conference day. Let's go. Look how cute this is. There's another one. Hello! We're in the Starbucks line. We're just meeting our new friend Andrew.
I have egg pie.
Oh, yay! Thank you. Hey, come on in! Alright, let's see what we got. Nice king bed. Let's go in here. We got a closet. Bathroom. Nice little balcony here. Kitchen. And then we're gonna head into room number 2. Keep coming. Big old living room. Full kitchen. Like, wow. Oh wow, there's a washer and dryer too. And let's take a look at this balcony out there. Nice. Bedroom. About to go get some food at Chico Malo, which is a Mexican food place, I think. And yeah, Amanda is actually delayed at the airport. She actually had to switch to a different airline, so we'll see her a little bit later. Okay, so we just finished eating lunch, and now we are headed over to the convention center to pick up our badges and registration and our swag and our goodies, our swag bag. Yeah, we are walking 5 minutes over to the center. Okay, so we just picked up our swag bags and we got a bunch of cute things. We got this like notebook, pen. These are our ribbons. Got some free sets. These are conference exclusive sets. Let's glow. It's not like going into frame. That's fine. And yeah, oh my gosh, look at this selfie ring light though. They really came prepared for us, guys. They knew we were gonna take selfies, so they gave us this selfie ring light. Alright, so I'm back in the hotel. We are taking a little break, gonna get ready for the general session today. And some of our group is actually in another room doing a spaghetti dinner because we have full kitchen. So we're probably gonna go hop by there in a little bit. Hello.
Hey!
Doing nails.
Doing my conference, Manny.
Out by the pool.
That's right.
What a view. Alright, so now we are going to meet up with the rest of some of our team. And they're having a spaghetti dinner right now. We're probably not going to eat because we just ate. But we will eat some of the people that we haven't met before. Excited?
I'm excited.
Okay, so we are now headed back to the convention center to the general night session. Amanda still has not landed because her flight has been delayed again. So we're gonna meet her at the convention center later. Hopefully, if she comes. Yeah, you're finally here.
8 hours later.
Oh my gosh. How was your flight? This is the infamous Amanda that we've been missing all day. She's here. This is your badge.
Yay! Thank you so much. Oh man, what a day! What a day!
Got back from the conference and Amanda has survived her first day of travel.
I made it, man.
And the end of the conference.
Oh man.
And yeah, so we are gonna eat a late dinner. You already know, the dirty Taco Bell.
Taco Bell.
And we're gonna go to sleep because we have an early day tomorrow. At 8 a.m. is the first session and it is 10:46 right now, so
Team no sleep.
team no sleep.